SSC Words presents. We're going to learn a new word today. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe for more updates. Please leave your valuable comments and likes. The word we are going to learn today is tenuous, meaning weak, having little strength, doubtful, fragile. Sentences. After the accident, my uncle lost his memory and he has tenuous remembrance of the past. As I am not well today, the chances of my attendance in the meeting is tenuous. The Chief Justice dismissed the case after hearing the tenuous argument. Her mother was not educated and made tenuous statements against her higher education and was forcing her to get married. However, her father decided that she will study further. The senator has tenuous chance of winning the election.